All right, we're doing the impeller change water pump on a mercruiser 8.0 high output. So there's not much videos how it's done on this engine. Impeller right there. So basically 13mm, gonna loosen the belt tensioner. Two of them here, you lose them up a little bit and then the belt come out. Now you got screws on the other side. I don't know if you could see it from here. They're on the other side. One is on my side, I can see. Unless that's the plate. Okay, so we gotta remove all of that. Take it outside and change the impeller. Okay, so I pulled the pump out. It's very stupid, could have been removed from here, but they have those 10mm on the other side, so there's no way you could reach them. You have to remove everything in order to change it. So there is two hoses here on the bottom. This one, I was hoping it's gonna be that's it. You know, I separated it from the bottom back there, right underneath with the white label. Okay, so then you got this hose right here. I'll separate that. You got valves, vacuum lines, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. This should come out. This bolt is really a pain in the ass because it cannot come out. So we have to remove 1, 2, and then 3, and this one walk its way out. There is no other bolt on the block. Just 1, 2, 3. And this should come out. No, but next time should take a lot less time since that I know the proper way to do it. Originally I did not want to remove things, but the proper way is to remove the alternator. It's very easy. You got one big bolt here, all right, and then you got another one on the bottom. So you remove the alternator with the bracket, not from the alternator, you remove it with the bracket. So once this guy is out, you have a lot more access. Separate the wires, access to the vacuum line. The best way after the experience, don't remove the water pump from, you know, with the bracket. Remove it off of the bracket. So when removing the alternator, you have a lot more access, so you can actually reach the bolts from the bottom here, okay, and from the back you could use a 10mm wrench and loosen those 2 bolts here on the back, all right, and then you lose that one. Then the pump will drop down. Then you're gonna have 2 hoses. You lose them on the back and you pull it right out. Of course you're gonna have the vacuum lines. You can see another video. This one got broken. I fixed it. I don't have to buy a whole new pump because it's all assembly. All right, now I'm gonna put everything together, the pump back in, First time is a struggle, but again, to do it right, remove the alternator, you have a lot more access.